There was a time when I felt frustrated by a problem I didn't want to talk about. I kept looking for something simple, practical, and easy to follow. That's when I learned about the horse gelatin trick. This simple daily habit may help support healthy blood circulation and overall male wellness. It doesn't require complicated programs, expensive purchases, or major lifestyle changes. What surprised me most was how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. Over time, I felt more confident, energetic, and comfortable with myself. Many men are now talking about the horse gelatin trick because of its simplicity and its potential benefits for vitality and performance. Click the link in the pinned comment to see how the horse gelatin trick works and find out why it's getting so much attention.